Hi there, this is David, and in this video I'm going to give you a demo of the Headway Premium WordPress theme. To make things a bit interesting, I'm going to take the default Headway style here and I'm going to customize it into this website design, which is a design for a fictional company, StarCorp. But I chose this design because it's got a pretty common layout with a header on the top, a hero image in the center, and multiple columns at the bottom, and it looks pretty different from the default, I would say. So it's a great example to showcase Headway's capability. I haven't I have prepared myself images for the site, and I have also worked out the dimensions and the colors and so on. So I'm going to attempt to complete this challenge in under 10 minutes, and time starts now. So the first thing I want to do is to jump into the visual editor. Now, no other WordPress theme gives you this sort of control over your the design of your site. First thing I'm going to do is to change the site dimensions. Okay, and then I'm going to upload and the header image. In this case, I'm going to upload the logo. You see it's uploaded immediately, and I'm going to give the header a bit of a margin. Okay, turn off the tagline and the breadcrumbs. Great. Okay, next I'm going to delete the blog post, since this isn't a blog style layout, and I am going to add a few leaves, which is Headway's term for content blocks, like this. As you notice, I can resize by dragging. Okay, I can also put in numbers for more precise layouts. In this case, I've worked out the numbers beforehand. I'm adding 3 more PHP boxes, HTML boxes down here. This will make up our 3 columns at the bottom of the page. Okay, and the final thing I'm going to do is to make sure that they can have a fluid height, so that the height of the content box flows with the content. Alright, so now I need to upload some images to fill in to the rotator leaf. Okay, now I can do that with FTP, but in this case here I'm going to use WordPress built-in media uploader. So I'm going to upload my 4 hero images. WordPress uploads them and resizes them for me, and here I'm copying the image URL. Come back in here and paste it into the image URL field. In this case, my files are named hero 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I can assign a link to each of this as well. Okay, there are some options. You can select the animation type. I'm going to choose a scroll, and I'm going to reduce the time that it takes, that I have to wait before it scrolls. Okay, so if I save now, Headway will refresh and it will show me hopefully the image rotator. There we go. Okay, so each of this image is a clickable link and is rotating after 5 seconds, like we have set it. Okay, next here we're gonna have the 4 buttons at the bottom of the 4 red buttons. Okay, and the 4 red buttons here, I don't want to show a title, so I'm going to disable that. Let's save it. Okay, and there you see the 4 buttons have been added to the layout. Okay, now this first column here is the welcome column, so I'm just gonna double click and type over it. Here I'm going to paste in some HTML. In this case I do want to show the title, okay, and double click so I can edit this as well. This is the services column, and I'm also going to copy and paste some of the HTML for this. The final column here is the contact us column. Okay, so let's save this and see what we've got. Okay, again, here's the design that we're aiming for. Okay, I think we've got the layout, but at the moment we just need to fix the colors and the fonts. Alright, so let's change all the fonts. This tool allows me to change all the fonts on the site with one click, like that. Okay, and now I want to change the color of the background and the head and the navigation. So that is under the design palette, and this background here is the body, so you see that yellow flash there. I'm gonna just drag the slider to make it into a darker color like this, and click this button to select that color. Next I want to make the border here thinner to 1 pixel, like that. That's great. Okay, now I want to change the color of the navigation. I want to change this background to some little gray. Okay, D1. I'm going to copy this color. Okay, so this is the navigation item. I'm changing the background color to the same and changing the text to something darker like this. Okay, so the right border here, I'm gonna make it a bit thicker. Actually, okay, that doesn't look too bad. And I'm going to change the font to uppercase font and make it bold. I'm also going to set it to Verdana, like that. Okay, maybe not bold. Okay, bold but smaller. Alright, cool. Now we want to make changes to the active link. Verdana size 10, bold and uppercase. Right, but I want the color to be different. The background, I want it to be a bright red, and the color, I want the text to be white. Great. Okay, so let's see how we're coming along. Okay, finally I want to change this to Arial, reduce the letter spacing to none, make it bold, and make it a darker color. Great. So let's compare with the reference mockup that we have, and you see that in 8 minutes we've got a very good result. And I'm just gonna close the visual editor so that we can view it like it is. Alright, and so here's how the website looks now. And if visitors come to the website, this is what they see. And as you have seen, we managed to do this in under 10 minutes. In fact, we did it just over 8 minutes. And if you know CSS, you can make even more powerful customizations. In my opinion, WordPress with the Headway theme is an excellent option for small businesses to get themselves an SEO-friendly, functional website with a custom design. I hope you found this video useful, and please do check out the Headway theme. Thanks.